So yesterday I ordered these cubes and they're here. First we have this ginormous cube that turns fine and so huge. It's just very huge. But let's try out a solve because I have my timer and I'm going in 3, 1 sec. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Time. 3 minutes and 14 seconds to solve this ginormous cube. And that might be my world record for now, at least. I just have to keep practicing and one day I'll probably get 1 minute. All right, now time for the speed cubes. We have a triangle, 2x2, and a 3x3. Why is this opened already? Who cares? But we have the 2x2 and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go. And just compare the difference. This moves slow. This moves like incredibly fast. All right, let's give a solve on this. Okay. It is really loose, so let's solve it. 3, 2, 1. Oh God. Okay, so I got 34 seconds on the cube, and I've done this cube for like my whole life, and I've been getting like 50 seconds on this, but this moves like so good, and I got 34 seconds, which is not my world record. With this cube, I got 17 seconds. And let's move on to the other cubes. So we have the 3x3. Has instructions. And ooh, the texture. And you can't flip the sides on this one. So as this one, but I have a a GAN cube that can flip the edges like that. But let's see how this turns. Oh guys, does not turn that well. The GAN cube turns phenomenal. But this is like my worst nightmare. Okay, let's mix it up and let's give it a solve. My best on a 3x3 is 43 seconds. And I am going to try to get more 33 seconds. Did I say 33 seconds or did I say 47 seconds? But it's 47 seconds. So yeah, let's solve it. Let's give it a solve. Okay, I got a minute and 20, but y'all might know why, because this gets it doesn't even corner cut. So yeah, let's see this big cube compared to this. This is like one whole piece of it, like a 3x3. I have another 3x3, and let's see. It takes 3 3x3s to reach the height of this, but this 3x3 is good, but not as good as a 2x2. 2x2 turns quicker than this. Alright, now let's get to the triangle cube. And I've never solved or never touched one in my entire life, so this might feel weird. Whoa. Okay, yeah. What the heck? What is this? This is the weirdest thing I've ever touched in my life. And yeah, let's give it a solve. I don't know how to mix these up, but I'll try. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna learn how to solve this so I can make another video to see how fast I can solve it. And once I make the video, I will be probably an expert now on solving this type of cube. But anyway, like, subscribe, and that's it. Bye.